CES 2026 is showing off gadgets that redefine home living. Imagine smart tech that adapts to your lifestyle and gadgets so cool, they feel like they're from tomorrow. Get ready for tech that's practical, playful, and straight up cool. All these gadgets links are in the description below. Number 8. Narwal Flow 2. What if your robot vacuum could see, think, and clean your home like a human assistant? This is a next-generation smart cleaner built for fully automated floor care. It combines ultra-powerful suction of up to 30,000 pascals with Narwal's signature rolling hot water mop system, washing floors with heated water while continuously cleaning the mop itself. Powered by dual 1080p cameras and in-air Mind Pro AI, Flow 2 recognizes obstacles, pets, cables, and even small valuables in real time, adapting its cleaning strategy automatically. The all-in-one dock handles dust emptying, mop washing, hot air drying, and water management, delivering weeks of hands-free maintenance. With smart modes for pets, babies, carpets, and mixed flooring, plus app and voice control support. Number 7. Euhomy Ice Leopard X1. No freezer, no waiting. This machine turns water into ice faster than you can pour a drink. CES 2026 Innovation Award-honored countertop ice machine that delivers up to a cup of ice in about 5 minutes using advanced rapid ice technology. This compact powerhouse fits perfectly on kitchen counters, in offices, RVs, or party setups, and produces 9 smooth, bullet-shaped ice cubes per cycle. It features a detachable insulated ice bucket with cold retention technology, keeping ice frozen for hours even without power. With smart app control, you can schedule ice production, track progress, and receive alerts right on your phone. Energy efficient, portable, and designed for everyday convenience. Number 6. Petkit Yumshare Wet Food Feeder. This isn't just smart pet tech, it's like giving your pet a daily health check without a vet visit. At CES 2026, Petkit revealed its AI pet care ecosystem that transforms everyday routines into meaningful health data. The highlight is the EverSweet Ultra, a 5-liter smart water fountain with an AI camera and facial recognition to track each pet's drinking habits, offer live and recorded views, auto-refill water, and keep fresh water separate from wastewater for up to 14 days. Also introduced the Yumshare Daily Feast, its first fully automatic wet food feeder that opens sealed packs, schedules meals for up to 7 days, uses AI pet recognition, and includes UVC sterilization with freshness monitoring. Rounding out the lineup is the Purobot Crystal Duo, an open-top automatic litter box with an AI camera that monitors litter behavior and sends real-time alerts for early signs of urinary or digestive issues. All devices connect through the Petkit app, giving pet parents a complete view of hydration, feeding, and litter habits in one smart system. Number 5. Withings Body Skin 2. If stepping on a scale could tell you way more than just your weight, the smart scale designed to deliver a deep, clinical-level view of your health right from home. It measures advanced segmental body composition across 5 body zones, tracking fat mass, muscle mass, bone mass, hydration, visceral fat, and metabolic rate with high-precision bioimpedance sensors. It goes beyond body metrics by offering cardiovascular insights, including pulse wave velocity, vascular age, and a 6-lead ECG using the built-in handle to help detect heart rhythm irregularities. The scale also introduces a unique nerve health score, giving insight into autonomic nervous system function and overall recovery and stress levels. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth syncing, a high-resolution color display, automatic user recognition for up to 8 people, and a rechargeable battery. Number 4. Lockin Veno Pro and V7 Max. Unlock the future of home security with zero hassle. The AI Smart Lock V7 Max is a Mortis-style smart lock that powers itself continuously with AuraCharge optical wireless technology, meaning no batteries, no recharging, just uninterrupted security. It features triple biometric authentication finger vein, palm vein, and 3D facial recognition. With dual 5-inch touchscreens and dual HD cameras, it doubles as a smart doorbell while letting you control access effortlessly. Built-in Lockin AI adds advanced automation, delivery tracking, and theft prevention, while Full Matter support ensures seamless integration with Apple Home, Google Home, Alexa, and SmartThings, This sleek smart lock combines futuristic tech with precision mortise installation for homes. Number 3. Aqara Smart Lock and Thermostat. Turn your home into a genius that thinks for you, where cutting-edge tech meets ultimate convenience. From the U400 Smart Lock with ultra-wideband for hands-free unlocking and Apple Home Key support, to the Camera Hub G350 with 4K resolution, 360 pan, and AI tracking. Every device is designed to make your life effortless. Keep track of everything with the multi-state sensor P100, detecting motion, tilt, and vibration, or control your environment with the Thermostat Hub W200, featuring a color touchscreen, adaptive comfort, and energy-saving modes. All devices are Matter certified, thread-ready, and fully integrated for seamless smart home automation. Number 2. Beatbot Smart Robotic Pool Cleaners. Transform your pool into a sparkling paradise with zero effort. The AI-powered robotic pool cleaner designed for zero-effort cleaning. This 2026 model is fully self-cleaning, smartly navigating every inch of your pool from floor to walls. With precision AI mapping, it maximizes coverage while efficiently removing debris, leaves, and even fine particles. Cordless, energy-efficient, and ultra-quiet, it's perfect for maintaining a sparkling pool without lifting a finger. Plus, Beatbot Smart app lets you schedule cleanings, monitor performance, and get notifications. Dive into the future of pool cleaning. Number 1. LiberNovo Dynamic Ergonomic Chair. Sit smarter, move easier, and feel the difference with the LiberNovo Omni. This dynamic ergonomic chair adapts to every movement with its Ergo Pulse motor system and Bionic FlexFit backrest, offering 8 flexible panels, 14 dual connection points, and 16 pivot points for perfect spinal alignment. Recline from 105 to 160. Enjoy the Omni Stretch Massage feature and stay supported with multi-density seat cushions and breathable neck support. Designed for gamers, creators, and professionals spending hours at a desk, it comes in space gray, midnight black, and moss green. Supporting users up to 300 pounds, this premium chair blends luxury, technology, and ergonomic precision for the ultimate sitting experience. And that's a wrap for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Which one did you like the most? Drop your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.